How are you liking that chemistry so far with both Tiamzon and Erica Santos? This is the first time we are seeing this.
Sa mga galing na setter kagaya ni Jel Gayuna, kahit sino ipasok mo, makukuha din niya yung preferred sets nila. Like that. That's another point for Erica Santos. More of siya yung nag-a-adjust dun sa gusto ng spiker, not the other way around.
Toss to Ishii. Side out there.
Akari also wants to set up their middles. They really have to improve on their passing because it has been erratic.
Lalong Isip got the bounce from Soltones. Challenging the blockers. That one, a much needed point care of Soltones.
I love how Gretchen Soltones looked at the block. Gretchen Soltones looked at the block first before she made a decision on that last swing. Target was locked.
Soltones has led the charge after a slow start. A 4-0 run for Akari. And ending that run is Jackie Acuna. Slide, Domingo.
They need more of that so that they can split the blockers of the HD spikers.
Sharp serve. No coverage there after that. This is not the first time we saw Cal be a starting setter. Tiamzon, triple block. Unfazed is Clint Tiamzon.
Automatic. She will have 4 options on the floor.
And now a lot of options with a full front line. Laxina's cross won't work. Tiamzon. There's that instinct you were talking about.
She was still there. Didn't get the perfect set. But she just went for a top. Yung mga blockers ng Akari, do we guard the middle or do we wait for a combination?
Nice defense by Ishii. As Tiamzon has been working around those blockers.
Fans na sumusuporta sa PBL, and yon, sobrang salamat po sa mga fans na dito sa Ilocos.
And finally, my day 2 pa bukas. I'm sure na meron pang mga things na gusto nyo.
Good first pass. Back set. Pangilinan is covered by Danny. Soltones with back-to-back points.
Sharp cross, good to go for Gretchen Soltones. That's back-to-back points for the Lady Bees. They need to try to get more momentum.
Cayuna looking to put an end, not just yet. Soltones, drop ball. Cayuna was ready. Pangilinan, welcome to the PBL.
Welcome to the HD Spikers. Erin Pangilinan, from being a middle blocker in the collegiate ranks to becoming an opposite hitter here in the pros.
This is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. Erin Pangilinan putting an end to set number 2 as her team now with a 2-set